Now, this is just from one plant, and as you can see, it is loaded. This is about the third, fourth harvest from this plant, and it just keeps producing like crazy. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're outside in the garden doing our morning walkthrough and seeing what needs to be harvested or done. And today we're going to go to the tomato and pepper area and harvest a bunch of peppers and maybe even a few tomatoes. So we're here in Pepper Row, and we have several varieties of peppers. We have some eggplant, two varieties, and we also have some papaya and some spearmint. And I'm probably going to harvest from the spearmint plant for the very first time ever today. But we're going to start here with the peppers, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of them that are ready. So we're going to go ahead and get these. Now, this is just from one plant, and as you can see, it is loaded. This is about the third, fourth harvest from this plant, and it just keeps producing like crazy. So we're here at the south side of the pepper area, and we're going to get peppers from our ghost plant. And we have some cowhorn peppers here. Here they are. Overall, we have a very good amount of peppers, and they are spicy. I can smell them from here. We're going to move down the row here to my eggplants and harvest them and some spearmint. So in this barrel, we have the Japanese eggplant, and we're going to get, I think we have 3 that are ready. And next door to it, we have the eggplant that refuses to die. This is a black-eyed beauty. And here, also in the Japanese eggplant container, we have spearmint. And as I said, this is the first time that I've actually harvested. So I'm going to snip off some of the longer area. And when I get inside, I'm going to pick the leaves, wash them, pick the leaves, let them dry, and then I'm going to dry them out in my air dryer and make tea out of it. Have another eggplant there. So we're walking along the tomato area, and as you can see, a lot of the tomatoes are laying on the ground, but they're still producing. Here's one here that I see. I'm not sure if it's been damaged or not, but let's reach down and see. And we're going to go ahead and take this one and the sister one. These are Roma plants or plum. We'll walk down a little farther and see what else we can find. A none here. Don't see any here. So this one here is starting to blush, so we're going to take that one off also. Don't see any here. Don't see any here, although I see, actually I see watermelon flowers. So my watermelon vine is still growing, although I don't see any watermelon. Here we have a tomato, so we'll pluck this one. Although this one looks like it has a hole in it there, or I don't know if something bit into it or if it's been burnt on sun squall or not, but we'll see when we get inside. Okay, that's it for the tomatoes that I see. And as I mentioned, the watermelon is still growing. I still see flowers, but I don't see any fruit or anything like that. We'll still keep our fingers crossed and hopefully we'll get something. So we're here inside the greenhouse, and here's our harvest of the peppers and the tomatoes. And as I said before, a very big harvest of the peppers, and they do smell very, very spicy. Here is the spearmint that we got, and here are all the eggplants, Japanese eggplants and the Black Beauty. Very happy with the harvest, and like I said, we're going to wash and pick the leaves off the spearmint, and then we're going to put them in the air fryer and dry them, and then use them to make tea. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this harvest of spearmint, peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, leave me a like. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave me a comment. I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food for myself and my family by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God. For without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.